What are they doing?
In the hot soup. That's all right. Here. Oh, Danny, look at me. I'm a meatball.
Hey,
don't look at me.
I'll look outside.
All right, here. Danny, pay attention. Hold me.
Oh, you gotta go in the hot soup.
No, no, sir. I don't want to go in the hot soup.
Andy, your friends are going in there.
Yeah, but my friends are nuts. I'm not nuts.
Yeah, you can go in there.
No, sir, I don't want to.
Go in there.
Oh, God. Oh!
Are you okay in there?
I'm all right. I'm just hanging out with my friends now, I guess. Thanks for putting me in the hot soup.
You're welcome. You're in the pool now?
Yeah, I'm in the red pool. All right. Wah, wah, wah.
What's wrong?
I'm a baby meatball.
You gotta go in the hot soup.
No, not the hot soup. Anything but the hot soup.
Yeah, you have to go in the hot soup. Their friends are going in there.
Yeah, but they're cuckoo.
Yeah, you have to go in there.
Oh, my God. Should I go in there now?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Ah!
Are you okay in there?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm just hanging out now. It wasn't too bad.
Okay, I'm so excited.
All right. Here you go. Danny, how are you today?
You gotta go in hot soup.
No, sir.
Yeah, you'll see your friends are going in there.
But I don't want to go in there.
Yeah, you have to go in there.
Oh, God, I'm so scared. I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
All right, here I go. Ah!
Are you okay in there?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm a
You're
little
in the hot pool?
Yep, in the pool of red sauce.
see, you will see. What?
We're almost done, right?
Oh, no.
What?
See, that means turned a birdie.
What?
It turned to a birdie.
It did? It looks like a birdie? All right. Danny, what are we doing today?
You gotta go in hot soup.
Please, no.
See, your friends are going in there and have some fun.
Oh, but I don't know if this is fun. I think I might drown.
No, you're not gonna drown.
I don't know how to swim.
Yeah, you can stay in there.
Can I hold my breath?
Yeah, no, you cannot hold your breath.
All right, ready? Oh!
Are you okay in there?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm hanging out. There's not much soup in here. Mommy has to add some more water. What do you think?
Wait, more.
More water? All right.
Then you gotta go in the hot soup.
No, sir.
Yeah, see, your friends are going in there.
Yeah, but my friends don't know what they're in for.
Yeah, you have to go in there.
Oh, my God. Am I going to be the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Bye, Danny. See you later.
Here.
Ah!
Are you okay in there?
Yeah, I'm all right. I got to get down in the bottom.
See, you have to get down in the bottom.
All right. Say see you later, meatballs.
See you later, meatballs.
All right. Let's go wash our hands now. Turn around. Let me move you around here. Yep. Hold on tight. All right. Let's wash our hands. That's a little hot. There we go. Okay. Soap on there. Rub a lot like this. Rub a lot. And get those meat off that hand, right? We don't want any meat on our hands. Okay. Okay, that's good. Good job. Let's check the hands. Make sure there's no meat on there. All right, you were a very good helper today. Thank you for helping me make meatballs.
Mom,
Yes.
you can get
All right, that's it. Shut it down. Don't do a house tour. Because I want to put this on the
All right.
thing. Shut it down.
All right.
Don't go in my room, you're silly. Hey, don't go in my room.
All right. I'm coming. I'm going out.